So many of us have spring flowering bulbs in our yard, either tulips or daffodils. And as we get towards the kind of the end of their bloom season, we're left with kind of these old flowers. A lot of us are wondering kind of what do we do with those? So with these, you can go through and take off the old flower stalks. You can follow this all the way down to the bottom and snip that off and just cut that down. But then we're left with all the foliage. So some people go through mistakenly and cut all that foliage back now, or they'll go through and kind of tie them up and wrap them up to make them look a little prettier. But we actually don't want to do any of that. We want to leave that foliage all the way up, because what it does is it sucks all the nutrients back out of the foliage to go down and feed the bulb to make a bigger, healthier bulb and more flowering from next year. So after you're all done, you can deadhead, leave the foliage up for about a month or so till it turns yellow and brown on its own, completely wipe it out, and you'll have a healthy and happy bulb for next year. So that's our tip of the week. For other tips and for more information, you go to gardentime.tv.